In this CyberTheo tutorial, we'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on Facebook, an extra layer of security that protects your account from unauthorized access. By setting up 2FA, you'll be required to enter a code from your phone each time you log in, adding more protection for your personal data. Open Facebook Settings. Start by logging into your Facebook account. Click on the down arrow at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to Security and Login. In the Settings menu, find the Security and Login tab on the left-hand side. This section contains various security options for your Facebook account. Enable two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication and click Edit next to Use Two-Factor Authentication. You'll be prompted to re-enter your Facebook password to proceed. Choose your authentication method. Facebook offers two main methods for two-factor authentication. Text message, SMS. Enter your phone number, and Facebook will send a login code to your phone whenever you log in. Authentication app. Use apps like Google Authenticator or Duo. Simply scan the QR code provided by Facebook using the app, which will generate login codes for you. Activate two-factor authentication. After choosing your preferred method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once done, two-factor authentication will be active. You'll need both your password and the 2FA code to log in from now on. Add backup options, optional. To avoid being locked out if you lose your phone, set up additional backup methods like trusted contacts or backup codes, which can be used in case you can't access your phone. Now your Facebook account is much more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.